Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new release from Xiaomi, the Redmi 14C 5G. This budget-friendly smartphone promises impressive features without breaking the bank. Let's explore what it has to offer. Design and display. The Redmi 14C 5G boasts a sleek glass back design, available in three stunning colors: Starlight Blue, Stardust Purple, and Stargaze Black. It features a large 6.88-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. With a peak brightness of 600 nits, your content remains clear even under bright sunlight. Performance and processor. Under the hood, the Redmi 14C 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, built on a 4nm architecture. This octa-core chipset delivers efficient performance for multitasking and daily use. Paired with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, the device ensures smooth operation and ample space for your apps and media. Camera features. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual rear camera setup. The primary sensor is a 50-megapixel lens with an f1.8 aperture, capturing detailed and vibrant images. Accompanying it is an AI lens to enhance your photography experience. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for clear self-portraits and video calls. Battery and charging. Battery life is a crucial aspect, and the Redmi 14C 5G doesn't disappoint. It houses a 5,160 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging. Interestingly, Xiaomi includes a 33-watt charger in the box, ensuring you have the necessary equipment for quick top-ups. The battery offers up to 21 days of standby time and 139 hours of music playback on a single charge. Software experience. On the software front, the device runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS, based on Android 14. Xiaomi promises 2 major OS updates and 4 years of security updates, ensuring your device stays current and secure. The Redmi 14C 5G is competitively priced in India. 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, $9,999. 4GB RAM with 128GB storage, $10,999. 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, $11,999.